Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation details the DTC U0298, which indicates a communication error between the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, and the DC-DC converter via the Local Interconnect Network, LIN. The issue arises when the PCM fails to receive necessary signals from the DC-DC converter, deeming the signals abnormal and storing the respective trouble code. The PCM acts as the main computer in the vehicle, where it processes engine management signals and orchestrates communication between various components. The DC-DC converter, a crucial component, converts voltage from the car's electrical system, ensuring that other systems operate effectively. In summary, the DTC U0298 alerts technicians to an underlying issue that needs thorough investigation to prevent potential failures in electrical and power systems of the Honda Accord. The DTC U0298 signifies a failure in communication within the vehicle's electrical system. This specifically involves the PCM, which is responsible for processing data from various components and ensuring that signals are correctly transmitted across the vehicle. If the PCM does not receive the signals from the DC-DC converter through the LIN, it records this as an error. The DC-DC converter, located in the underhood area, plays a pivotal role in managing the vehicle's voltage supply, converting high voltage to the necessary levels for the vehicle's electrical systems. The LIN is a communication protocol used to connect multiple electronic components, facilitating smooth data exchange. The malfunction could stem from multiple sources, meaning careful diagnostic procedures must be followed to pinpoint the exact issue affecting these critical components. Several potential causes can lead to the DTC U0298 being recorded in the Honda Accord. A disconnected or damaged circuit can interrupt the vital communication between the DC-DC converter and the PCM, prompting the error. Furthermore, if the DC-DC converter itself is faulty, it will not correctly send the required signals, leading to communication failure. Similarly, if the PCM is defective or has software issues, it can lead to erroneous readings and create a communication vacuum. An additional cause could be a shorted or open circuit within the LIN, impacting its functionality. Each of these factors must be diligently inspected to determine what is causing the DTC U0298 error in the vehicle. The symptoms of the DTC U0298 can manifest in several observable ways, impacting the overall performance of the Honda Accord. Drivers may notice warning lights activating on the dashboard, particularly warning lights related to power management or battery issues. Additionally, there may be reduced power efficiency, leading to suboptimal vehicle performance and potential electrical failures. Furthermore, failed readings from the battery sensor may occur due to disrupted communication, resulting in mismanagement of the vehicle's voltage supply. Recognizing these symptoms early aids technicians in identifying the DTC promptly, helping to prevent further system failures and ensuring the vehicle operates smoothly. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC U0298 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode, which activates the vehicle's electronic systems without starting the engine. This allows the PCM to perform a self-check and determine if the conditions for communication between the DC-DC converter and the PCM are normal. After setting the mode to on, it is essential to wait for approximately 10 seconds. This waiting period allows the system to stabilize and transmit necessary signals, ensuring that any existing faults can be precisely identified. If the DTC reappears after this step, it indicates an ongoing issue needing further inspection. If it does not, this may hint at a transient fault that has since corrected itself. Following the initial step, The second troubleshooting step focuses on the IG1 ACG circuit and the LIN battery sensor connections. Inspecting the IG1 ACG circuit is crucial as it provides power to the electrical systems when the ignition is turned on. Moreover, examining the LIN BAT sensor is equally important since this communication line plays a significant role in transmitting battery sensor signals to the PCM. To conduct this inspection effectively, any visible wear, damage, or disconnections in these circuits should be meticulously evaluated. A thorough understanding of these components' functionality ensures precise identification of potential wiring problems that may have resulted in the DTC U0298 error. The third step in resolving DTC U0298 requires a detailed DC-DC converter inspection, aiming to ascertain that this component is functioning correctly. Given that the DC-DC converter is integral to maintaining proper voltage levels in the vehicle's electrical system, any faults can lead to communication failures with the PCM. Technicians should check all connections and wiring associated with the DC-DC converter to ensure they are intact and securely connected. Inspecting for corrosion, wear, or physical damage on these connections may reveal critical issues that warrant repair or replacement. This inspection is paramount, as identifying faults within the DC-DC converter could directly explain the communication error recorded. In the fourth troubleshooting step, a thorough PCM inspection is necessary to determine if the control module is at fault. The PCM serves as the brain of the vehicle's electronic system, and any discrepancies within this module could result in communication errors like DTC U0298. Technicians should examine the PCM for physical damage, but also refer to any software updates or issues logged in the system diagnostics. Running advanced diagnostics may reveal any underlying software glitches affecting the module's performance. It's essential to ensure that the PCM responds accurately to incoming signals, as its malfunction can impede correct communication with the DC-DC converter, ultimately leading back to the DTC in question. Once troubleshooting and any necessary repairs have been performed, the final repair verification involves rechecking all connections associated with the DC-DC converter, PCM, and the related circuits to ensure everything is securely connected and free from damage. After confirming these connections, the DTC must be cleared from the system using a diagnostic scan tool. Following this, the vehicle should be put through a retest to observe if the DTC reappears under normal driving conditions. This verification step ensures that any previous problems have been adequately addressed and corrected, confirming the integrity of the vehicle's electrical system before returning it to service. Preventive maintenance plays an essential role in averting issues like DTC U0298 from arising in the future. Regular system diagnostics can help identify potential faults before they escalate into significant problems. This involves routine inspections of critical components, including the PCM, DC-DC converter, and battery sensor circuits. Monitoring battery sensor readings can help track the health of the vehicle's electrical systems and ensure they are operating efficiently. Establishing a preventive maintenance schedule is a proactive approach to preserve the functionality of the electrical systems and encourage longevity, reliability, and performance in the Honda Accord. In conclusion, addressing DTC U0298 involves understanding the complexities of the vehicle's electrical systems, especially the communication lines between the PCM and the DC-DC converter. Each troubleshooting step is imperative to isolate and resolve the issue effectively. Recognizing symptoms early can lead to expedited diagnostics and repairs, helping maintain the performance of the Honda Accord. It is crucial to conduct thorough checks, monitor preventive measures, and promptly identify and repair any faults discovered during inspection. Doing so will enhance the reliability of the vehicle's operations and extend the lifespan of its electrical components, ensuring a smoother driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!